So we're in Clovis, California. We finished doing a little project for a homeowner out here. They're in the middle of a remodel in the kitchen, and they need temporary sink, faucet, disposal, waste hookup, dishwasher install. Actually, the dishwasher was installed, never taken out of place, but the copper line for the water, and then of course the drain line, that's installed by us. So first things first, Kohler faucet sitting up top. This is provided by the homeowner, and it's got a nice little magnetic docking system right there, which is kind of neat. So that's installed. We ran lots of water down it, no leaking. This is temporarily set, so it's not caulked in. This is going to be an undermount sink when they're finally done with it. So that's the faucet. Underneath we have a Badger 1 disposal. Had a 3/4 horsepower disposal purchased out of Lowe's. And it was not new in the box. It was someone had returned it used, and so we had this in our truck. Badger 1, 1/3 horsepower, and that's the same thing we've got in our house. It comes with a new line cord on it, so that's good. And then the waste, we cut it all the way back toward the wall, put the adapter on. They give you a tubular trap up to this 90-degree arm. This arm is not quite into the trap as far as that socket as far as we would like, but this sink is going to drop another 3/4 of an inch once they undermount it, so it'll drop in there even further. So we did let the homeowner know that that is the case. We did leave an extension right here in the event things don't quite line up or work out right, and I believe they will, but that's just an extra part for you. And so that's all installed down here. We did give you new shutoff valves, hot and cold. Those are quarter turn on, quarter turn off. The old ones were as old as the home, which is 2000, 2001. And, we just took care of one issue. So these guys, quarter turn off, quarter turn on. Integrated supplies from the faucet come down to the cold. Integrated supplies for the hot. And then over here you can see copper tubing coming over for the dishwasher. So that's installed. No leaking at any of our connections. Back at the nut here, mounting nut, that's the existing mounting nut, brand new shutoff valve, and then of course up here, the existing nut and shutoff valve. So these guys on and off. So they work nice, and honestly, they're almost bulletproof. We've seen these fail like 1% of the time. So that's a good product. Anyways, everything looks good here. Outside of that, this installation is done.